wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, we are doing a beauty haul. In today's video, we love talking about new products. We love trying new products. There's a viral sound going around that says, I'm a set girl. I'm a set girl. One thing about me, I love me a set. But they're talking about clothes in that sound. When I say I'm a set girl in today's video, I'm talking about new beauty, makeup, skincare sets. And I am partnering with Home Shopping Network in today's video. So I'm going to be bringing you some sets from them that you definitely need to check out. So let's go. This is a very full circle moment for me working with Home Shopping Network, because I know I'm not the only person that experienced, or I'm assuming I'm not the only person that experienced back in the day. I'm talking like elementary, middle school, whatever time you had to get ready for school in the morning, waking up and you're sitting in your mom's room, or you're just getting ready for school in the morning, mom's doing your hair and Home Shopping Network is playing on the TV. So a very, very full circle, because it feels at this point, Home Shopping Network raised me. We are like this, okay? And not much has changed. Currently, they are doing weekly deal drops in a number of categories. They are also giving $10 off $20 or more purchases with the code HSN23 for new customers. They also have where you can save $20 off your first purchase if you use Holiday at 23 as a code. And they also have an under the tree guarantee, bars, if you purchase your products by December 16th. Okay, so the first set I want to show you, we are going back. This whole video is just going back to our roots, going back to the things that we know. It is from Clinique. Y'all remember this moisturizer? It is their 1 moisturizer, 2-way gel, 1 hydrant, 2 format gel. Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. My oily skin girlies. This moisturizer, right? You know when you used to use a product and then you stop using it and then you see it again and you're like, why did I stop using that? I kind of want to give it another try. But also, like, when you try a lot of things, it's just, you know, some things have to come and go out of the rotation. So this is what it looks like. You're not new to this if you're not new to the beauty space, and if you're not new to Clinique, because Clinique is another, this raised me, okay? I really like this moisturizer. I feel oily skin. Gel moisturizers usually work better for me. I'm not saying other ones don't, but this works. Gel moisturizers work better for me, as in my face doesn't feel too greasy, too sticky. And I also told you guys I am a texture person. Like, I've got a thing when it comes to how things feel to me, and I don't usually have issues. It just kind of soaks in to my skin when I use gel moisturizers. And this is the other one that comes in the set. Now I'm going to use this morning and night. Gonna see what this does to my skin going back to this, especially right now, because after coming back from Florida, I don't know what's going on with my skin, but yeah. But this is definitely one that you can use in the morning if you wear makeup. It's a good moisturizer under makeup. Oh, and there is this Clinique All About Clean Rinse Off Foaming Cleanser. Another good thing about Home Shopping Network, when you make your orders, you get those little like thrown in samples and plus is on the side. Okay, still on skincare, because like I said, I don't know what's going on with my skin lately, but we got to get it back right. This is from Sunday Riley. It is their Morning Buzz Brighten and Glow with Advanced Vitamin C. So they have here, okay, box says this is a full size of their serum, and then they've got the Brighten Vitamin C gel cream here in the middle. And most exciting, I know I just told you I have oily skin, so you're probably like, girl, oily skin, but you're excited about an oil. But baby, if you have oily skin, do not sleep on having an oil in your skincare routine. It just depends on the oil, how much of it you're using, and also the other products that you're using on your face to you know, deal with your oily skin. But I like me an oil in my skincare routine. It ain't never done me wrong. So this is their CEO Glow Vitamin C Turmeric Face Oil here as well. Now, since it's so strong on vitamin C, probably one that I will, you know, test out and see how it's working with my skin at nighttime. If you are going to use it during the day, during your morning routine, if you have 2 different routines, please make sure you wear sunscreen, okay? You defeating the whole purpose of having such strong vitamin C and then not wearing sunscreen and going out into the sun. Let's see. The face oil, it says highly stable vitamin C brightens and fights signs of aging. The vitamin C serum says firms and brightens the look of skin in 7 days.
And the Afterglow Gel Cream says clinically proven to significantly improve skin brightness and texture in 7 days. Now imagine all 3 of them working together. And again, like I said, they be throwing in the little like bonus thing. So there's this cute little makeup pouch, or just pouch in general. And it has the CEO Afterglow cream and the lactic acid treatment. Deeply exfoliates the dull surface of the skin for clarity, radiance, and younger looking skin. It's cute. Now, where were you when I went to Renaissance? Okay, now I saw this and I knew I had to have it because I own every fragrance that Ponytail has. At least I thought that I did. So when I saw this, I was like, now, where has this been? Why did I not know that this exists? This is Airy by Ariana Grande. It is a set. I'm a set girl. Okay, so you have the 3.4 fluid ounce fragrance. Here in the middle, there is a body lotion. I'm gonna open it. There is a body lotion, which is this one. And there's also a bath and shower gel, which is this one. Now, Ponytail don't make a bad fragrance. So this is the bottle. But she gonna get you on packaging, but it also usually smells. You can already smell it. This is floral, but sweet. The other one that looks like this, it's not see-through, but it's still pink. That is straight sweet, like right out of the tube. This is a nice balance of sweet, but there's more, like I feel floral is what's stronger in this one than the sweetness. So if you feel like the other one is a little too sweet, then you might like this one because it's a nice balance of it, but real girly, real, you know, flirty spring. Okay, I like this. Hold on. I didn't. And then this is the body lotion. Okay, once you start rubbing it in, you can smell it more. It smells like the spray. Okay, Ponytail, I'm telling y'all, she don't miss when it comes to fragrances. Stick to this. Okay, next 2 things are from BeautyBio. I've seen this brand around. I've never tried anything from them, so I'm kind of excited to see how this goes. So this is the Beholder Lid Lifting Eye Cream. It's pretty big for an eye cream. Okay, this is the eye cream. And then it also comes with the Infuser, which is an uplifting, depuffing, and smoothing tool for eyes with firming micropulse technology. Okay. I think this is what had me more intrigued to try it. And I'm like, what does that mean? Okay, so this is the tool. And I guess, let me read the box. The ultimate eye power tool to help uplift, firm, and smooth in seconds. Micropulse technology activates on contact and helps instantly improve microcirculation for a brighter, more rested appearance. So it already comes with a battery in it. And then it says it activates on contact. Oh, y'all hear that? Hold on. You heard that? So you put the product on this and then put that on and then just, I guess, move this around your under eye. Okay. Oh, that's cool. I would obviously, you know, try it under my eye, but I have makeup on, so I'm gonna use that eye cream up and then come back and tell y'all how it went. Okay, so these next 2 things are actually from the same brand. I've been seeing this brand around. They've got a product that's going around that's popular that's like honey infused, something like that. So when I saw it, I was like, ooh, I've been seeing this brand around. I want to try it. So this is from Beekman 1802, made with goat milk and kindness. And it's a set of their body cream. So this is the packaging that it comes in. And you see how it says recipes? There is actually a recipe in here for gingerbread cookies. That is cute. I actually tried this recipe. You know, I've been getting into baking this year. So. But these are the body creams. It's the same thing. You just get a set of 2 of them. And I got it in the scent Vanilla Absolute. You get 8 fluid ounces. Okay. And let's see how you smell. Ooh. Okay. Oh, this is what it looks like. You ever look at a product and you're like, I just feel like this is going to live up to my expectations. Okay. It smells like vanilla. It smells like vanilla absolute. You know, I like when the name is just on brand for what you get. Okay, let's see, because I already tried that other. And you see how far away my arm is from my face and you can still smell it? Okay, she's getting hydrated. All right, I'm liking where this is going. Daytime, I'm trying to think, daytime or nighttime? I'd probably do daytime with this because I'd want to walk around and people smell me. The other thing that I got from them, y'all remember I but I have the diffuser now. So I got this little set here. They're Happy Place Essential Oils. It comes with 9 oils. And this is what they look like. I'm just pulling them out. So this is a citrus scent. The first one, red apple. I might try that today. Let's see, sweet grass, candy cane. Okay, holiday. Oh, I guess it makes sense for it to be holiday. I just woke up, okay, leave me alone. Snow forest, grapefruit. What else do we see here? What else? Light flannel. Okay, and then here it lists all 9, and then I guess what they're supposed to do. So I saw red apple, reminiscent of a fresh baked apple pie with hints of cinnamon and spice with fresh red apple. This blend is sure to bring a comforting smile. Candy cane, the perfect blend of crisp peppermint and the warmth buttery scent of fresh baked cookies creates this delicious recipe of fragrance, a timeless, invigorating, and refreshing scent. Literally gonna try one of these tonight. I'm not sure which one. Probably red apple, but one of these is getting tried tonight. And the last thing I have to show you guys is actually makeup. Look at that. Who would have thought? It is from Too Faced. It is their Secret Santa limited edition eyeshadow palette that also comes with this eyeshadow brush. I thought it was a very cute, you know, very holiday appropriate, if I could open it, palette. Small, so travel friendly if you're traveling for the holidays. And it looks like, look at that. First of all, they look rich and pigmented in the pan, so I'm already here for it, Too Faced. But like I said, very small, very travel friendly, and the colors are very holiday friendly. You know, it's giving Christmas and New Year's in this palette, so definitely check this out. Do like a trying new to me makeup, because I actually have a couple products I need to try. But okay, Too Faced. And yeah, that was everything that I had to show you. Go ahead, shop now at Home Shopping Network and find gifts for everyone on your list this holiday season or yourself. Always treat yourself using the codes that I provided earlier, and they will also be right here on the screen. Everything will be linked in the description for easy access to it. And let me know in the comments down below if anyone else experienced that too as a kid, because I just feel like we have so many of the we lived the same lives moments that is one of them. So let me know all of that down below. All that will be available for you to find down below. And yeah, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells, guess where, down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.